Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto Chester. I'm here today to talk to you about the one and only Mog. Now, Mog is doing exceptionally well compared to other meme coins today. We are seeing this thing absolutely rally at a market cap of $526 million and climbing. Spot volume today, 62 million. Mog is taking the lead. If we look at the CMC update here, you can see in the last day, it's actually up 9.68%. The last 7 days, 17%. This lovely, lovely uptrend here. And the last month, 133%. This thing is growing. DCAing into this is a very, very, very bullish opportunity, guys. And I do have a very good bullish opportunity as well to talk to you about very, very shortly. But Mog is the conversation of this video. So as I said, market cap, still $500 million. We did see this thing at the market cap all-time high of a $1.48 billion back in December. I do think there's legwork here. I do think $1 billion can happen. Let me know if you think $1 billion is possible here in the comment section. Dying to know your opinions. And let's get over to the Mog chart, because this is super interesting stuff. And we can basically dissect on how we can actually be trading this and how much money we can actually be making doing so. Okay, before we do that, I want to talk to you quickly about a new AI agent project, guys, that is going to absolutely explode in the coming weeks. It's got 8 days until the pre-sale ends. It's raised $10 million. Insane news coverage across the board in the crypto space. Influencers are talking about this thing everywhere. It's a new AI agent that's Pepe themed. It's had all of its audits done. It's super easy to buy. It's already raised $10 million here. That usually means massive exchange listings. And it's got a really, really clean, obviously, AI agent utility, which they've actually launched here over on X already, and it's gaining traction as we speak. Viral traction, may I add. Okay, so it's definitely something you guys should go check out. Obviously, do your own research. There's a lot more to be discuss with this asset. There's so much good stuff happening. Go check it out. Just wanted to give you guys a bit of alpha information there. If you want to get involved, they accept Ethereum, USDT, BNB, USDC, or even Visa or MasterCard, guys. So you can get involved with your fiat currency as well if you're low on crypto right now. But yeah, $10 million, definitely something you don't want to ignore here. And it's launching in literally 8 days time. So time is basically running out, guys. Anyway, let's get back into the Mog chart and let's see how much money we could be making and where we can be making that money. So right now what's screaming out to me is an upward sloping trend line there. You can see we've obviously got another trend line coming through like so. This creates a rising wedge. Rising wedges, guys, they tend to actually usually break down, okay? Rising wedges tend to usually break down, but the measure move that could be discussed here, depending on where we actually come down and touch this area, if we do, this would be the measure move down. And as I said, it's really not that big here. I mean, it's 17%, but in terms of this pump, it's actually quite a nice little correction there. In terms of market structure, higher lows, we are looking at basically coming down, setting a lower low here, breaking this, setting a higher high for this trend, higher low because this got broken, coming up higher high. We've set a new higher low here, breaking this high here. Okay, so that basically means this is the market structure point that we're looking out for here. If we come down to this area, we will bounce, guys. We will bounce with some momentum and volatility from that area. How much, you say? Let's dive into this. So you can see right now that we have had roughly a pump from this area, 56%. Usually, if we're basing this on sort of volatility, it's going to be roughly around 25%. We usually aim for around half here when we're trading at volatility like that. Yeah, 25% from this area is very, very feasible. So yeah, what I would predict here is probably we dump down in the future. We come down, we trap, we test the higher low, and then we bang it back up. Okay, that's sort of what I would be looking out for there. I'm going to leave that on the chart as well, so we can reference this in the next Mog video. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, drop it a like. If you want to get involved with Mind of Pepe, go check it out. $10 million is not a raise that we can ignore here. New AI agent Pepe themed. This thing is destined for success. And also, guys, if you want free tokens, go over to Best Wallet and download the Best Wallet, and you can basically claim the Best Wallet airdrop completely for free. You don't need to do anything regarding any deposits or anything like that. Go check it out. All the links in the description. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next one.